If your TikTok bio is not showing, start by opening the TikTok app and going to your profile. Tap the Edit Profile button and check if your bio is entered correctly. If it's missing, retype it and save the changes. If the issue persists, ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or try reconnecting to see if that fixes the problem. Another step to try is clearing the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, find TikTok in the list, tap on it, select storage and then tap on clear cache. If your bio still doesn't appear, make sure your TikTok app is updated. Head to the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if a newer version is available. Finally, if none of these steps work, log out your TikTok account and log back in. This often refreshes your profile and resolves display issues. If the problem continues, reaching out to TikTok support might help.